All right, hey guys. So today I'm just talking about this function, this file called init.py. So it's really about packages and modules. So this is for Python that has version between before 3.3. So you all the Python 2 basically. And then there are a lot of programs developed before that has been using it. So today I'm just gonna use this function that's called detailer. So it stands for DNA Tailor. It's used for coding optimization. So the reason I like this tool is because there's a lot of built-in functions that can put a lot of criteria together. So basically, you can understand it as you want to let's say you want to build something, and then there's a lot of restriction on the how long it has to be, how tall it has to be, and these like these files within these are like the specific we're specifying each and one of them. So so the detailer is the package name. So the package is the detailer. In order for this package to work, like you want to call each one of them, so you want to call each function. So this database DB, so the operation. So you see within each folder, there is this dash dash underline init underline dot py file. So this so what does it mean? So basically, this is a constructor. So let me just open it up for you. So if I open it, you can see it does not have anything in, right? So what does it actually do? Because if you open, um, so let's see over here in this folder called third party. So actually this function, it can be expanded to include other programs developed by other people. So if you see over here, you just notice this init file because it is not part of the package. It has to be installed separately. So that's the point of this. So if you want some to build a package and you want a module that can be called and you still want to order them into different folders, for this directory to work, you have to have this file within each and one of them, each level of them. You have to have this file. So this basically allows you to still call a file um, inside any one of this subfolders um, within this package. So let's take a look at what does it actually do. So if I look at open the DNC sequence design designer.py, if I open up, and I can see here the first thing is def, the init, and self. So the self basically uh, the init is a class. So basically it's referring to itself, and then these are the attributes you had defined. So whatever you're so this class you're building is abstract. It's not specified yet. So what you want to put in there, you have to specify over here for yourself. So let's say in this case, so first you want to do so this one calls the function sequence analyzer. So that's why it's sequence analyzer dot. So this is that class of sequence analyzer, and this is one specific feature of it. So you go to your analyzer, and this within itself, you can put in the input file, the input type. So input file can be these two. The input file it has to be a GenBank file, and it's the same logic over here. So input file, input types to call. So using this is calling the functions within another um, Python file. So that's the logic of it. So if you're, I guess today it's more about understanding the way these files were written, and if there's an error, so maybe there's a file that's missing. That's why one of the functions cannot be called. You can just add your own init file over there. But that's the idea of it. I hope this helps.